The topic of today's video is how to get working promo codes for Amazon. And it's really as simple as actually just going to Amazon's website and we can do filters and filter by coupon, but I will drop a link at the bottom of this video. So here on their website, you can see all of their different coupons, save 20%, save 120. However, there are more sites that you can go on for coupon codes. One that I've mentioned a billion times before here is Groupon. You can give Groupon a try. They also have a very nice feature where you can basically say yes or no if the code works or not. So that's pretty useful. Other sites that are available are sites like coupons.com, operates very similar to Groupon. You've got the crazy coupon lady. And keep in mind, most of these sites have more than just Amazon coupon codes. And the last one I can think of is Hip to Save. So give all these coupon websites a try. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.